Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open Settings and select Apps to manage installed programs on your PC. Scroll to find the Nvidia app or GeForce Experience entry in the Apps list. Click Uninstall and Confirm prompts to remove the main application files from Program Files. Sign out of GeForce Experience before you begin to avoid background syncing issues. Use Task Manager to end any remaining Nvidia processes before uninstalling. After the uninstaller finishes, restart Windows to let the system finalize file and service removal. Open Device Manager and uninstall the Nvidia Display Adapter driver with the Delete Driver software option. Boot into safe mode to prevent drivers from reloading during deeper cleanup procedures. Run Display Driver Uninstaller and choose GPU drivers only to remove drivers and related services safely. After the finishes, open File Explorer and delete C /program files /Nvidia Corporation if files remain. Check C /users /your name /app data /open services MSC and set Nvidia services to manual or disabled to prevent automatic restarts. Use the Microsoft Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter to block Windows Update from reinstalling Nvidia drivers automatically. Remove Nvidia startup entries with Task Manager to stop the app launching at boot. If you plan to reinstall drivers, download only the display driver package from Nvidia and uncheck GeForce Experience during custom installation. Verify removal by checking Device Manager and rebooting one more time to confirm a clean state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.